Hello everyone, this is the trainer Sadhna and you are watching Frankly Speaking. Before starting this lesson, let me give you a brief idea what I am going to tell in this lesson or what I am going to deal in this lesson. This is basically a vocabulary development lesson where I am going to deal with some uncommon words. You can see them here. So these words are very uncommon, you might not have heard about it. So if you hear someone using it or if you come across these words, you may get confused because you don't know that word or the meaning of those words. So I'll tell you each and every word, its meaning and how to use it. This is going to be a fun lesson. Try to watch it till the end and you can just read the captions as well so that you could get whatever I am saying. Okay? Without wasting further time, let's get started. The first word is weak sauce. Weak sauce, you will use this word when something doesn't go well or something doesn't perform well. So you can use this word weak sauce. Okay, so now you might be confused when to use it. So let me give you an example. Suppose you had a meeting yesterday and your friend asked you today, how was the meeting? And the meeting didn't go well. So you can say it was weak sauce. Okay, so like this you can use this one. Let's take one more example. You performed in a function and it didn't go well. So you can just describe the function or your performance by saying that my performance was weak sauce. Now that you got the meaning of weak sauce, let me deal with awesome sauce. Okay, so awesome sauce is very simple. Awesome sauce means something is very cool. So when something is very cool, we say that it's very cool or it's cool. But instead of this, you can use it's awesome sauce. Let's take an example, then it will be more clear to you. Suppose one of your friend got promoted and he's sharing the news with you. He said to you, I got promoted, and you want to say, wow, it's cool. So you can say, wow, it's awesome sauce. So when you are saying that it is awesome sauce, that means something is very cool and you really liked it. Let's take one more example. One of your friend asks you, how's my dress? And he is dressed up for the party. So you can say your dress is awesome sauce. That means your dress is really cool. Now I think you got the meaning of awesome sauce. Now let's move on to the third word. The third word is agender. Agender means some people who don't want to identify themselves in male or female, so they can call themselves as agender. So agender is a person who doesn't classify himself or herself in male or female. You might not get to use this word, but at least if you hear somewhere or if you come across this word, then you can easily identify the meaning of it, okay? So we are left with two more words. First one is lookbook and the second one is ear tickler. So let's first deal with the word lookbook. I'm assuming that you all know who are fashion designers. So fashion designers have a set of pictures or collection, and when they want to show the collection, they have the set of pictures called lookbook. So in the lookbook, they collect all the pictures and they put it for display. For the detailed definition of this lookbook, you can see over the screen. Hope you got the meaning of lookbook. Now, very important word, that is ear tickler. Let me tell you, we all have some ear tickler kind of people around us, in our friends or family. So ear tickler is a person who pleases others, okay? Who flatters others and who does a lot of flattery to get attention or to get favor from others. We all know that this is an era of cutthroat competition and each and every employee wants to get ahead of others. So for that, they please their bosses or they please their supervisors or the employers. So the one who pleases gets the promotion easily. Don't take it otherwise. Only pleasing won't get you promotion. But this is just to give you an example that the person who pleases their bosses or their supervisors, their employers, they are in their eyes and they get promotion easily. So I think you got the meaning of ear tickler. So ear tickler is a person who pleases others. Or you can say who is good at pleasing others or praising others. Okay? Let me give you an example. Suppose your colleague got promotion earlier than you and you know that you are more capable than him. So you can just tell by saying that he got promotion, he must be an ear tickler. Or you can say he is such an ear tickler that he got promotion so easily. So like this, you can use this word ear tickler. And for proper definition, you can see the screen over here. In today's lesson, you got to learn so many important words, and this is going to be very useful to you, especially IELTS students, because they have to use a wide variety of words and they have to use a rich vocabulary so that they could increase their score. And I would say in general also, if you want to enhance your knowledge, if you want to get ahead of others, you need to, upgrade your skills. You need to learn daily. You need to brush up your skills. So this channel is going to help you do that. Now let's quickly revise the 5 words. We dealt with 5 important words: weak sauce, awesome sauce, lookbook, agenda, and ear tickler. Now that you have learned about the meaning and how to use it, your job is to make a sentence out of these 5 words and comment me in the comment sections. Hope you enjoyed this interesting lesson, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. If you understand Hindi, you can also subscribe to our channel Letter Better, that is Hindi to English, Spoken English channel. We'll soon meet with a new and interesting lesson. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. And yes, don't forget to practice a lot. Use them in your day-to-day life. Thank you so much.